Hi, seventh and eighth graders. Wow, what a start to another kind of crazy week that we're all adjusting to. Yesterday was Monday of our first hybrid week, and honestly, my head was spinning with everything that I needed to do, and I can only imagine that you're feeling that as well. Honestly, it's a huge adjustment for teachers, students, parents, families, everyone involved. So please, please, please be patient with me as I'm learning how to navigate this. When you're in my room, this is what it looks like, but then also when you're not in my room as a hybrid learner. So I'm just asking that you kind of work with me this week as far as just giving me some time to continue to get organized. I'm going to push myself so that I can create meaningful learning experiences for you. But also, I don't want you to be thinking that this week is going to be exactly like what every other week after this will look like, because honestly, this week is a huge learning week for me. So, it's Tuesday today. Be looking at Google Classroom. I'm going to try to post to my geography Google Classroom students for my eighth graders this morning. And then hopefully by this afternoon, I'll be able to have something concrete for my seventh graders. Um, I'm also going to be working on making sure that people are able to access Google Classroom, which I'm realizing if you're watching this video, you do have access. Okay, so that's my next thing is to just clean up Google Classroom, make sure it's functional for you. And I look forward to when you're actually in my classroom and I can say hello in person. Have a great day.